Hi, welcome to TNT Tutoring. Today we will be looking at the College Board's question of the day for March 29th. The question reads, Machine X working at a constant rate can produce X bolts per hour. Machine Y working at a constant rate can produce X plus 6 bolts per hour. In terms of X, how many bolts can both machines working together at their respective rates produce in 4 hours? Alright, the first thing I'd like to do is figure out how many bolts both machines working together can produce in just 1 hour. And I'd also like to use a technique where we pick a value for X so we don't have to work in the abstract. So you can pick anything you like. I'm just going to let X equal 4 bolts per hour for the first machine, which means that machine Y is producing 4 plus 6 or 10 bolts per hour. So I think it's pretty easy to see then how many bolts can they make per hour. Well, that's 4 plus 10, which is 14 bolts per hour. Now, the question says, how many do they make in 4 hours? Well, 14 times 4 would give us 56 bolts in 4 hours. So if I let X equal 4, I'd have to go through the answer choices, substitute in 4 for the X, and see which one comes out to 56. Let's see. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 12 is definitely not 56. I'm not going to bother calculating it. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 24 is 40. Okay, so that's not enough. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 30 is 54. That's not quite enough. 8 times 4 is 32, and 32 plus 24 is equal to 56. So the correct answer choice here would be D. Now, for those of you who are a little bit more advanced, you could definitely take a different approach. And what you'd want to do is you want to think about this. Okay. Well, the approach I took here was I added the two rates together, right? I took the 4 bolts per hour, added to the 10 bolts per hour. That gave me a rate of 14 bolts per hour. Now, if I did the same exact thing, I'm going to parallel this using the abstract, right? X and X plus 6. That would give me X plus 6 means I'm producing 2X plus 6 bolts per hour. Now, to figure out how many I'm producing after 4 hours, I would take this combined rate times 4. Don't forget to distribute to the 2x and the 6, but that would give us 8x plus 24. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for visiting TNT Tutoring.